Hi, are you somebody that experiences anger? Are you someone who is married to a man? Would rather not go to therapy and don't necessarily want to pay for anger management classes? Or lastly, would not make it as someone's bitch in jail? I have just the thing for you. Have you ever heard of needle felting? No? I would love to show you. Needle felting has a lot of things that may appeal to you, whether it is this adorable little shark I made from felt. And to think it came from this to this. You may have questions. How did I go from this to this? Adorable little creature. So, this is essentially what you start with. And you take Nana's wig and that's actually one of my hairs in there. Don't mind that. It'll give it some flavor. And I like to pin mine down. You don't have to do that. It's totally up to you and how feisty you may be feeling that day. And you might be wondering what these things are. And these are needles. Yes, I have two. I can choose to dual wield or with just one. This is, on those days where hubby forgot to take out the trash and feed the dogs and wash his ass in the shower for the 50th time, or the kids just won't shut the hell up, and needle felting is for you. As you can see, it's lots of fun. Very therapeutic in many different ways. The critters are my favorite part, for sure. So, happy
needle felting.